for the video, that's all Drift. I'll just have it my library.
Okay, and then you paste the link and it automatically like shows populate.
Yeah, it populates. You can do it over email also. What I would say best practice for email is like it's going to populate the link and the GIF. I would take out the link.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Because the link, you don't want someone to have a click, but with the video, obviously, and if you try to go using InMail, the preview will not show up. So what I will do for when I'm creating GIFs is I'll create the GIF. So you can do a record new video. You can do record GIF, and maybe it's just your face only. Also, best practice for video, be on their LinkedIn profile, have your head in a bubble on the bottom, 100%.
Okay.
It's not about you, it's about them. They want the familiarity. That's the best thing. Don't use a whiteboard. Doesn't look as professional. So what you'll do is you'd create the GIF. So you'd record a GIF. And so the GIF I created was this.
Yeah.
And then what you'll do is you'll go in and so I'll do this. What I'll do is the 3 dots. I will download the GIF. That GIF will then be on my desktop. What I want to do is I will want to go into Giphy and I will upload content, and you'll get a recording of this. So you want to, I think it's upload. It might be create. I think it's create actually. So you go in, you create content. You're going to choose a photo or GIF, and then it's going to be HYFY recording. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to open it. It will then upload. Then I will add in the text of.
Okay.
What did you think?
This is brilliant.
Thank you. So, and then I'll do that. I'll drag the text. I might change the color. I wouldn't do anything fancy, like there's fancy stuff. I would just keep it probably default or meme, depending on your audience.
Yeah.
Then continue to upload. You just want to upload to Giphy. Then what you will do, there's 3 options of downloading it. And there's one which will open and one which will not open. I think it's the first one which downloads. So then what you'll do, instead of copying this link to your Giphy and putting it in LinkedIn, you're actually going to download the Giphy. It's going to be on your desktop and you're going to drag it.
Drag that.
You do media, and then it's going to be, I think it's source, and you press download. That might be right. That might be wrong. I don't know. Then you'll drag it to your desktop. I always like to title it something like, what did you think? And then I'll drag it to the LinkedIn conversation.